is Haylee Chenchar, and I have been in Cheyenne for the last 4 years. Best 4 years ever. I love living in Cheyenne for so many different reasons, but a big reason is I am actually doing my first bodybuilding competition in October, and Cheyenne is the perfect place for that because not only is the competition itself here in Cheyenne, but there are so many different things that go along with the process. You know, we have wonderful gyms here in town, and we have great nutrition and supplement centers that are so helpful, and their staff is amazing. And then on top of that, we just have so many outdoor activities that we can do. You know, my husband and I love to hike in Curt Gowdy and everything around there, so we can always stay active, especially in the summer months. And so it's just a really great place to focus on my fitness goals, and I just love everything about it. And the community is so supportive. I'm actually sponsored by Blacktooth Brewing Company, and they have just been my biggest cheerleaders ever. So I love Cheyenne, and I love everyone's support in trying this new thing in my fitness journey, and I encourage anyone who hasn't seen Cheyenne to come in and see it for yourselves. It's awesome.